Hello guys, it's July 4th and today we're going to be harvesting our potatoes. We're supposed to get rain today after so many weeks and we're excited, but we have to harvest the potatoes today. We have passed the time of harvesting it, but I have had some knee, back and other problems, so I will ask my husband to dig out the potatoes and so we can see how much we harvest. This is our first time growing them. We grow 4 in different bags. I have a tip that you should invest in good name tags because we use the little wooden ones and the name faded. So this year we actually have some different ones, but it's too late right now. But anyways, let's move on to harvesting our potatoes. I think this is the blue variety we have. It seems to be. Okay, so this is our harvest. It was our first time. We have some red, yellow, and some purple potatoes. I would think that the mistake that we made, since potatoes are very heavy feeders, that we only fertilized them once. We got very busy and like I said, I wasn't doing so well, so we didn't have the time to do it. Now the rain is coming, we're gonna bring the potatoes inside. So thank you again for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Let's go egg green time together.